In a vibrant village nestled along the sun-kissed shores of Jamaica, there lived a girl named Arden Brighter. With her mother's gentle lullabies and guitar strumming and her father's priestly voice, music became the heartbeat of Arden's world. Every day after school, she would gather with her friends near the old mango tree, singing songs that echoed the spirit of their island, spunky, carefree, and full of life. Arden's dreams, however, stretched far beyond the borders of her tiny village. She envisioned herself standing on grand stages, her voice filling the air, mesmerizing crowds with her soulful melodies. At just 9, she entered a local talent competition, pouring her heart into every note. To her surprise, she won, her performance igniting a spark that would change her life forever. With determination in her heart, Arden Brighter, just 16, took every opportunity to learn about the music industry. She saved every penny from her small part-time jobs, investing in voice lessons and music production courses. Her family supported her aspirations, teaching her the values of hard work and resilience. "Don't just sing, Arden," her mother would say. "Create your own sound." Years passed, and Arden's dedication paid off. She released her first single, a fusion of reggae and pop that brought the rhythm of Jamaica Britpop and American rock to the world stage. With its catchy beat and heartfelt lyrics, the song became an instant hit. Arden Brighter was suddenly a household name, but fame didn't alter her dreams. She knew there was more she wanted to achieve. While her music continued climbing the charts, Arden Brighter founded a non-profit organization that provided free music education to underprivileged children in her village. She believed that every child deserved a chance to pursue their passions just as she had. Through workshops, she taught kids songwriting, singing, and even producing, all skills that nurtured a new generation of artists. As her empire grew, Arden Brighter launched her own record label, determined to give young talent a platform to shine. She signed several local artists, helping them develop their unique voices while honoring their roots. Her success was not just measured in accolades but in the joy she created in her community. As she stood before a massive audience in New York, accepting an award for her contributions to music and social change, Arden paused to reflect. The young girl who sang beneath the mango tree had transformed into a powerful figure, using her voice for change and inspiring others to dream big. With gratitude in her heart, she reminded everyone, "Your dreams are seeds. Nurture them, and they will blossom into a world you never thought possible." As the crowd erupted in applause, Arden knew her journey was just beginning, fueled by passion and the unwavering rhythm of life in Jamaica.